Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Normal here, and today we're going to talk about yet another case for the iPhone 14 Pro. We have the Spigen liquid crystal case for the iPhone 14 Pro. So this is the case, and this is a clear case, and you can see the liquid crystal case. So this is a plain transparent case for your iPhone 14 Pro. So we have the iPhone 14 Pro with us. So let's see how this case looks like. You can see here Spigen. So Spigen cases are pretty good actually. We have been using this in our iPhone 13 Pro as well. So they are pretty good, and here we have all the details mentioned. In case you plan to buy, we'll share the link in the description of this video. It's available on Amazon. You can buy it from there. So this is the Spigen liquid crystal case for the iPhone 14 Pro. So let's just take this out. So you can see here, this is the case. So here you can see here there is a cleaning wiping solution available. You can clean the case in case you want to do that, and this is how it looks like. You can see here in case there are any stains, you can clean this, and this is the liquid crystal case. This is actually the clear case, so you can also call it as the clear case. So let's just use it here. It's actually flexible material. You can see here it's very flexible material, and if you want to flaunt your iPhone 14 Pro color, back color, then probably this is probably the best case. You can see here everywhere you can see the color, and we have the cut for the mute button, and then a power button, and or other volume keys, and here you can see that Spigen is mentioned here, and you get good protection here. In fact, there is some protection, additional protection for the edges too, and here we have the speaker and the lightning port here available. So here you can see here air cushioning technology mentioned here, so it does provide some cushion with this edges. So that's how it looks like. You have the option for the power button as well. So it is a very good clear case. In case you plan to buy clear cases, this is highly recommended one, and feels very sturdy, and you get a full view of your iPhone 14 Pro. So this is available on Amazon. I will share the link in the description of this video, and you can buy it from there. So that's the Spigen liquid crystal case. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.